Hey guys, it's Max Movies. I just wanted to do a little bit of follow up. Hashtag cat hair. Life with cats. Oh my god. Okay, I wanted to do a little follow up. I got my a Banggood package. First of all, I want to say a little word about this because I've talked about this before, and I know a lot of people think, oh wow, like maybe this picky. But the thing is this, like if okay, like there's a difference. Like if you're a kid that loves squishies and you're just so excited to get them, you're probably going to overlook a lot. But if you're like me and you're an adult and you're a collector and you're into squishies, it's like a whole different thing. Like you have your likes and your dislikes and you can be super picky. Okay, so way too much talking, but I just want to give the backup about that. Okay, so for me, I've ordered stuff from China a lot. Like, I've always been into super kawaii things, and I get a lot of things from Hong Kong and China, just little things off of eBay. But the thing is, I know about shipping and how it works, right? Okay, so when you buy something from Hong Kong, yes, it can take a very long time, but honestly, it should not take any more than about 3 weeks, about 28 days. Anybody who's selling anything from there and they live in the United States knows that you don't want to use a company that's going to take a very long time to get your customers. You're going to end up with somebody that's really upset. So, this squishy here that I reviewed the other day, um, in my new squishy haul from Christmas, I said it stinks, and it did. When I first opened it, not only did it take like 2 months to get to my house, but it stunk really, really, really bad. And it had this weird film on it. Now, I've had this for about 24 hours, and I haven't done anything to it other than just, squishing it a little bit and letting it air out. And I can honestly say that this is a pretty nice squishy. There's some weird stuff in it, like just odd stuff. But I mean, it's pretty good, and it smells like bread. It's a knockoff version, I guess. I was thinking it was the Key Brew bread. I think it's called Key Brew bread. Sorry, guys. I'm still learning all the different breads, but I thought it was like basically that, but it's not. And it wasn't really cheap. It wasn't expensive, but it was a decent price to where I could see that if it came directly from the manufacturer, it could be cheaper, and that's what I thought. But it is a knockoff. There's no licensing anywhere, but it's not bad. So I got that from Banggood. And then the other one that I got is this one. You can already see it's a knockoff. I mean, this is not the real one. No licensing. That's how number one way that you know that there's like it's not legit. But I wanted to try Banggood because so many people have reviewed it and said that it's really cool. So yeah. But this one is super dense, like super dense. But it's also extremely slow rising, I think. For, like such a big squishy, like you could really just squish the heck out of it and it's gonna pop up. But I mean, hand crinkles like crazy. It's kind of got that surface shiny thing. It's not bad. um my all-time favorite, though, I have to say, is my Pop Pop Sheep. This thing is like life. It smells like grapes. It still smells wonderful after like lots of squishing and just, oh my god, this is like the best squishy ever. So yeah, look at that. So slow rising, and it does get defects when you squish it a lot, but I mean that's to be expected. I just love the little feeties and the little tail. And I've noticed I have two Pop Pop Sheeps. They all have this air bubble on top. I don't know what the deal is, but this one came really good. Like, what's on it now is from squishing versus the other one that I got, which was like, yeah, that's not good. Don't really know what the story was on this puppy, but yeah, it's falling apart. Anyway, that's my review. Remember, we started with this one. So, Banggood, it's got some good stuff, but expect to wait unless you get lucky. I think I'm going to try Dot Dot Bang next and see what they're like. I haven't tried them yet. I also haven't tried Bunny's Cafe. There's just a bunch of them. Silly Squishies. Oh my god, I have to try Silly Squishies. I've heard it's really good. Look at that though. It is super slow rising. And the back of it, oh my god. It's like so realistic. Look at that. So cool. Anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful New Year's and enjoy your squishies. Thank you to the community as I'm getting to know everybody. And much love. Stay super kawaii.